Welcome everybody to the 4 p.m. chart of the day off of the ARMR Investing Trading Desk. Now we're running a virtual hedge fund experience. I managed hedge funds for over a decade, been managing money for over 30 years, and I'm sharing with you my experience, live streaming it all day for ARMR insiders, and then sharing with you at the end of every day, 4 o'clock comes, I'm going to meet you for the chart of the day. Now, some days it's easy. There's only one chart to talk about. Days like today, I could spend hours chatting with you. We just made a lot of money today across the board. Day trading the S&P, we had 300% exposure to the S&P in our day trade portfolio. So our whole portfolio was long SPXL off the open, had a huge day. And of course, we have a lot of investments that, we're ripping higher today. But the focus of today, the one chart I want to share with you is going to have to be uranium. And we're going to specifically focus on the two investments that we were trading on the desk and then carrying overnight in our swing portfolio. So, as always, if you find this helpful, please go ahead and share this video with any friends you think could find this useful. Don't forget you can subscribe to the YouTube channel right here. Then you'll just get the updates every day on what we're going to be talking about delivered to your inbox. So feel free to do that. Now, let's dive in. We have been following, as probably you have, the uranium story for quite some time, and we trade it from, on and off here or there. We've been out of the story for a while, and we have one particular ARMR insider, been with us over 3 years. We call him an armrAnalyst at this point. Okay. So he is really focused on the uranium story and has stayed on top of that story for us, keeping us on the trading desk during our live stream up to date on all the developments. And what happened this morning was actually yesterday. He made the call yesterday. Hey, maybe it's time for us to take a look at CCJ again. So when we trade and invest in uranium, the beginning and end for us is a camago. Okay, this is the gorilla. If you can't make money here, you're not going to make money anywhere else. That's just the way it is. So yesterday on the trading desk, and now what we're looking at is the day trading chart. Okay, yesterday, somewhere around here, our armrAnalyst was saying to us, hey guys, we got to look at CCJs. It's coming off. And there was a big trade yesterday in the stock. And what I said this morning in our morning meeting, and if you'd like to have access to that morning meeting, you can always subscribe. You can go to armrinvesting.com and get access simply to our morning meeting and our captain's notes before the trading session. So you have trades to focus on before the market opens. So you can go take a look at that. But I shared with you this morning, I said, look, there's two things that are going to happen during our morning meeting. With CCJ, we're either going to have a gap and go scenario, which is a tool we use from our day trading playbook to try to get on investments correctly. It's always good to go to bed at night with a big gain in the portfolio, and that's your investment. So we use day trading tools to get us onto a swing trade or onto an investment. And so I said that this morning with CCJ, there was one of two trades we were looking for from our day trading playbook, either the gap and go, which is what happened, or a pullback in the morning to close VWAP gaps. And so what happened was market closed here. You're looking at a 3-minute bar chart. Every bar is 3 minutes. The blue's up, the red's down. All the lines you're looking at on the chart have to do with the ARMR price movement profiler, which is our proprietary day trading tool. Okay, so we were looking for a sell-off this morning back to the yellow line, the ARMR moving average, the ARMR VWAP, the black dots, or if that doesn't happen, we're going to trade a gap and go. And so what happened was the gap and go. It gapped up in the morning, and by 9:42, we were long CCJ. And so we captured the entire move today in CCJ. Now, you could day trade it if you want and follow day trading rules, but for us, we wanted to focus more on that chart pattern right now. That's a huge pennant formation breaking out on huge volume. Got to hold that overnight. That's an investment now for us. And quite frankly, if we went to look at CC, you can see we were on GSIP today, made some money trading that thing. But let's look at the William ONeill chart and take a look at that weekly pennant. I mean, it doesn't get any tastier than that weekly pennant, and it hasn't even broken out yet. It's just testing it right now. That weekly pennant is just now getting tested. I'm just going to shrink the screen for you so you can see it a little bit better. See if that sets up. We'll leave it like that. You can see that pennant right there. Okay. So going back to this chart, we're long CCJ. And when we get long CCJ and we start making money there, the go-to to increase our exposure in the uranium space is URA. This gives us exposure to all the small players without having to buy the small players. Okay. There's the same type of pennant, but you can see it's a weaker pennant as the sellers keep coming in more and more and more aggressive. Look, CCJ, you'll see that it's a better looking pennant, but that's okay. CCJ makes up a large part of URA, as does Sprott physical uranium, and that's kind of what we want exposure to. And so we picked off URA as well on this day, okay? And it's so early in URA. I mean, it hadn't even broken above 22. I mean, the real trade is when it breaks above 22. But volume is increasing, and that's the day it closes above all the moving averages. The low of the day is the stop. CCJ, you can see, already broke the downtrend, and it's leading the charge. So those are the two trades that we focused on our desk today. There were many others. We had a really great day. I'd love to share it with you. If you want to be part of our trading desk, feel free to subscribe. You can go to armrInvesting.com. You can also share this video and, of course, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and then you'll get updates as we go. I'll see you all tomorrow, 4 o'clock or 4:05 with the chart of the day. The object is to get rid of all the noise and share actionable information you can actually make money on. That's what we're doing with the ARMR investing way. And of course, Sunday at 7 o'clock, we're going to start doing weekend reviews to get you ready for the trading session. Futures open at 6 p.m. Eastern time, 7 p.m. Sunday. We'll go over what we did during the week and how we're set up to attack the following week. I'd like to see you there on Sunday as well. Hope you all have a wonderful night. I'll see you tomorrow.